Remove toilet seat lid assembly and open the lid. The fixing screws are located under two decorative covers. Pry and remove the decorative covers for the fixing screws. Use a screwdriver to unscrew all the fixing screws. Remove the lid. Before installing the lid, set the hinge to the maximum open angle. Align the holes and insert the fixing screws. First, tighten the first screw, then manually align the lid. Secure the remaining screws. Test whether the lid opens and closes normally.